Not a very young skill set ang pinakita doon ni Nike Manaloto.
Agad naman binawi yun ni Samuel Vega.
Height is might here in basketball. Alam natin, hindi na ituturo yan. Pero yung intensity
is good for the UAE Patriots. Plus the foul. Potential 4-point play. Forward pass, setting up his teammates.
Also, when he gets those outlet passes, and naaabutan siya. He's able to drop it off to his teammate.
Meantime, that is Samuel Vega hitting his first three-pointer of the contest. Tumali na dito sa piyesta. Itong si Samuel Vega. Da Costa has it. Now to Samuel Vega. Masyadong malalim. The kick out. Aaron Garcia. Another try! And there it is!
So all the 6 points of... Great move. Nike Manaloto.
And on the other side, that quick trigger from Keenan Tolentino. Tatlo na lamang dito ng PYD. And finally, for UAE Patriots, that's Samuel Vega.
Not possible on that time. 3 seconds. Pull up. 3. Good. We start the fourth quarter. 53-80 is the score, and it is brought to us. Vega for 3. Knocks one down. No good. Rebound by Tolentino, and here comes the orange shirts running. Vega, who has hit a 3-pointer. It's for the bump, no good. And Tolentino is passing it to Vega. One man to beat, lays up for 2.